is 7 feet in length, 4 by 4 feet in dimension. It can be customized also. Like we can have a 4 feet width and 6 feet length with a 7 feet height. Now the structure is made with a CPVC pipe, which is a solid 1 inch pipe with the T-joint. This can easily be assembled or deassembled as per the requirement. Now the system is all that pump and sensors are fitted inside the chamber. Here we are having a sensors and the nozzle arrangement I had given at the 4 corners of the structure. Now the nozzles here are the misting nozzles, which provide a proper mist, and the misting can be adjusted from this by rotating the knob. The sensors are the proximity sensors. If I am putting my hand in front of the sensor, it will activate the system. Now the banner what we had used is a high grade, high quality Sarex type of flex material, which is double coated and having a dual colors, which can be printed from the outside as per the requirement, or we are having a given print. Now the base tank is there for the collection of the waste or the sanitized liquid, which can be exited out from this point. We have provided a pump which can now the sanitizing liquid what we are providing, it is a government approved solution with a rose flavor, and it doesn't create that harshness, rashness or any side effect on the skin or on the hair. So here the 100-liter tank with the given liquid, it is having a filter also, the system. Now see the working. Now the given person need to enter the chamber and need to put the hand in front of the sensor and rotate clockwise once also. I will ask that person again so that I can show you the mist. Likit, can you please enter it once again? Now here we will see the misting. Now the person enters, he put the hand in front of the sensor, and here we are having this mist arrangement. The mist is not visible, so I will show it in this. Here the mist. Again I am putting. Here we are having this mist arrangement. Now the pulsating circuit is provided for proper disinfecting.